we are on 5 tongues. Just left Rockaway. So between Far Rockaway, get to Queen's Pass to 5 tongues. This is a part of Nassau County. Just to let you know. So I'm going to the car wash here. On my right, called hand car wash. So they wash your car literally with hands and water and soap brush, not the machine you drive through. And this is the car wash. Good morning, sir. Close the roof of my Jeep because I'm going through the car wash. Oh wow, it's crowded here. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video here and we continue the journey after we finish the car wash. Now I see the car wash what it look like.